Hi, Rebecca. Yeah, the new laws range from when hospitals can pull the plug, giving families more time to prepare before critical life support systems are terminated, requiring school districts to hire armed guards for all campuses, to removing district attorneys for misconduct and for refusing to prosecute state laws. A new law that bans sexually explicit drag shows in front of children was put on hold Thursday. A federal court judge in Houston granting a temporary restraining order on that. Another law involving children and sexual content is also being challenged. HB 900 mandates that publishers review and rate books sold to school libraries for sexual content. The Texas Supreme Court has struck down an attempt by a Travis County judge to put on hold a new law that bans gender modification procedures on children. A law to rein in local regulations that exceed state law remains on hold. A Travis County judge, you may remember earlier this week, issued an injunction on what opponents call the Death Star law. Now, I spoke to Brian Smith with St. Edward's University about how these laws have gone from a process of legislate to litigate.
Once a law is passed, the only option you have is to overturn the law next session, or if you want to move faster, take it to the courts.
So in a sense, we're extending the debate, right?
We're extending the debate, but doing it in a different arena, and this is the state and federal courts.
Of the ones that are being litigated, which one has caught your attention? Is it the one that's dealing with the fight over state and cities and who has control?
Yeah, I think the so-called Death Star bill is the one that's going to be the most interesting, because this is not going to the federal courts right away like some of the other bills. This one's going to be fought out in the state courts, and we've seen time and time again, when the states battle the city, the states win.
You know, is this just a matter of people just don't understand how home rule works?
So it isn't a case where we have federalism, where there's clearly defined state and federal rules and spheres. Everything that the cities have, even home rule, is given to it by the state. And because of that, it isn't a sibling rivalry, it's a parent-child rivalry.
Another law that literally may be sneaking up on people's rearview mirror is the electric vehicle registration law. That's going to cost some people.
That's going to cost people quite a bit of money, because now it's going to be $200 to renew an electric vehicle when a gas-powered vehicle is about $50. So that's 4 times as much. And for a new car, it's going to be $400. We know that electric vehicles aren't paying gas tax, so the state needs to find its money from somewhere.
Yeah, big changes happening now along that line. Other notable laws coming online include a package of bills designed to help shore up the power grid. College athletes will have to compete on teams that match their gender at birth. There's a ban on COVID-19 restrictions and a tenure reform law that will make it easier for universities to dismiss underperforming professors. Another controversial law for higher education has already got a deadline that's counting down. Universities are to close diversity, equity, and inclusion offices by January.